Drainage system of our country. The drainage describes the river system of an area. The area drained by a single river system is called drainage basin. A closer observation of a map will indicate that elevated areas such as mountain or an upland separates two drainage basins such as upload is known as water divide. Here is an example of water divide. Here is an example of water divide. Indicate that an elevated area such as mountain or an upland separates two drainage basins such as an upland is known as water divide. Drainage system of an area. The Indian river system are divided into two major groups, the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. Apart from originating from the two major physiographic divisions of India, the Himalayan and peninsular rivers are different from each other in many ways. As you can say that Himalayan rivers are perennial, means water is available throughout the year because they are originating from Himalayan ranges. As whereas peninsular rivers are seasonal because they only depends on rainfall. Rivers like Brahmaputra, Indus cut through the mountain making a deep gorge. Like one such gorge is created by river Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh. Whereas most of the rivers of peninsular India flow from rift valleys, so they don't create such as, but they are famous for waterfalls. Here is another difference is there. These rivers flow in plains, so these areas are fertile, whereas because of undulating topography, they are suitable for generation of hydel power. So the land part is not flat in plateau regions. These rivers of peninsular India are not fit for navigable because of their undulation of land part, whereas northern plains the rivers are suitable for navigation. Delta and estuary. The triangular deposits made by the rivers at their mouth form delta. Deltas are found in low tides and coastal plains. Develops Deltas are fertile landmarks like Ganga and Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri forms delta in our country. Now talk about estuary. Sharp edged mountains of rivers divides of any deposit is known as estuary. Regions of high tides and rift valleys witness estuaries. Estuaries does not have fertile plains. Nabda and Tapi are the two rivers of our country. They form estuaries and they are the rivers who flow western side. Rest of the rivers flow eastern side. Here is an example of drainage pattern of our country. Dendritic pattern develop where the river's channel flow in the slope of the terrain. The stream with its tributaries resemble the branches of a tree, thus the name is dendritic. You can see the tree-like structures are there where the rivers formed. Rivers joined by the tributaries at approximately right angles develop a trellis pattern. A trellis drainage pattern develops where hard and soft rock exist parallel to each other. You can see that hard and soft rocks parallel to each other. Here is rectangular drainage pattern. A rectangular drainage pattern develop on a strongly joined rocky terrain, whereas The radial pattern develops when streams flow in different direction from a central peak or dome-like structure. You can see the dome-like structure is created by a volcanic mountain. If the molten material do not come out, instead of water bodies come out, or water come out and spread in all directions, create such type of pattern. Here is an example of delta system found by the rivers. You can see at their mouth, before falling into the sea, the river divides into numerous branches. Here is an example of estuary. You can see the estuary, the water bodies do not separate its water or do not get divided. They fall into the sea a very same manner, like Narmada and Tapi in our region. Here is an example of a river which started from the mountain regions and fall into the sea. Before it creates various type of structures. So here is a small presentation regarding the topic. In a brief circumstances, some of the terms which is mentioned here, I hope that you understood well.